Lesson 12. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words, groups of words, or sentences. They are also called joining words. A conjunction can be a word, or a phrase. But, and, because, for, if, or, etc. are some examples of conjunctions. Let's read some examples. 2 and 2 make 4. He is poor but honest. In the above sentences, bold words connect two sentences, so these are conjunctions. Kinds of conjunctions. There are two main kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions joins grammatical units of equal importance in a sentence: and, but, or, nor, neither, for, yet, still, so, etc. are coordinating conjunctions. Let's read some examples. You can have tea or coffee. She plays tennis and basketball. The weather was cold but clear. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connect subordinate clauses to the main clause of a sentence until, because, if, then, that, unless, before, etc. are subordinating conjunctions. Let's read some examples. I wanted at home until she arrived. He went home because he was tired. She is more intelligent than his brother. Some commonly used conjunctions. There are many conjunctions used in joining the sentences, but the following are some of the important conjunctions used commonly: and, but, or, so, and, yet, either, or, till, lest, if, that, until, after, neither, nor, while, since, when, rather, unless, before, both, and, hardly, scarcely, not only but also, no, then, no, other, no, sooner, so long as. Since denotes the particular time referred to. Since always takes past indefinite after it but never before it. Let's read some examples. No one has seen him since he left Muradabad. Gracie has been reading since morning. Since is also used to introduce a statement that explains the reason for another statement. Let's read some examples. Since you have studied so well, you can go outside and play. Than is used to introduce the second or last of two or more things or people that are being compared. Comparative form of an adjective or adverb is used with than. Let's read some examples. My sister is older than I am. You are much taller than your brother. That is used to introduce a clause that states a reason or purpose. Let's read some examples. Sanya is so happy that it's winter again. I am ill, that is why I cannot attend the school. When is used at or during the time that something happens. Let's read some examples. A teacher is good when he inspires his students. Come inside when it rains. Where is used to denote at or in the place that something happened. Let's read some examples. We went to the bar where I am relaxed. This is the village where I lived. Whether is used to indicate choices or possibilities. Let's read some examples. Bosco wasn't sure whether to go to India or England. He was confused whether he accompany me or Sanya. While denotes period, it is used during the time that something happened. Let's read some examples. While we were in Paris, it snowed. While walking in the forest, we saw a lion. Until means up to the time or point that something happened. Let's read some examples. We stayed up talking until the teacher came up. He ran very fast until he reached the destination. After shows later than the time dead. Let's read some examples. Call me after you arrive at work. I reached after the sun had set. Although is used to introduce a fact that makes another fact unusual or surprising. Let's read some examples. Although she was tired, she couldn't sleep. Although she has not much money, she bought a costly dress. As is used to introduce a statement which indicates that something being mentioned was known, expected, etc. Let's read some examples. As we explained earlier, our team is not doing well. As you know, she is not my friend now. Because is used for the reason that. Let's read some examples. I painted the house because it was in a horrible state. I could not attend the party because I was ill. Before is used to show earlier than the time dead. Let's read some examples. Come and visit me before you leave. Finish your work before sunset. How is used to denote in what manner or way. Let's read some examples. Let me show you how to write. Tell me how you prepare this dish. If is used to talk about the result or effect of something that may happen or be true. Let's read some examples. It would be fantastic if you could come to the party. I will not come to your house if it rains.